How to restore your deleted Instagram messages. Want to recover deleted Instagram chats, even if they've been gone for a while? In this quick tutorial, I'll show you a step-by-step method to download your full message history directly from Instagram, including messages you thought were gone for good. Let's get started. Step 1. Open Instagram settings. Open the Instagram app on your phone. Tap your profile icon at the bottom right. Now tap the three lines menu icon at the top right. Select Account Center at the very top. Step 2. Access your information. Scroll down and tap Your Information and Permissions. Then choose Download Your Information. Step 3. Select Message Data. Tap on Download or Transfer Information for Instagram, then hit Next. Now tap on some information. Scroll down and select Messages from the list. Tap Next and choose Download to your device. Step 4. Set the date range. For date range, choose All Time to recover the most data. Leave the rest of the options as they are. Tap Create Files. Step 5. Wait for email notification. Instagram will email you when your file is ready, usually within 20-30 minutes. Once you receive the email, follow the link and tap Download. Re-enter your Instagram password, then hit Continue. Step 6. Access the downloaded file. A new pop-up will appear. Just hit Download to continue. After the file is downloaded, open your Files app. Tap on My iPhone or Device Storage, then go to Downloads. Locate and unzip the folder Instagram sent you. Step 7. Read deleted chats. Open the unzipped folder. Navigate to the Your Activity section, then tap Messages. Here you'll find your full inbox, message requests, all chats, even those you deleted. Tap any conversation to view the full message content. And that's it! Now you know how to recover deleted chats on Instagram like a pro. If this helped, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more powerful tech tips.